Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. While you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like it and share it with your friends. So today I'm going to talk about the storage topic. Okay, so we can call it as a persistence storage also. So why we need storage or why persistence storage is very important, right? So in Kubernetes, see pods are temporary. If the pod is restarts or is it deleted, data stored inside the pod, it can be lost. So for that, persistence storage is useful for the database like a MySQL and PostgreSQL and to file uploads. Okay, such as if you are able to upload images, documents, and if you wanted to store the data, application data, that can be able to need the if any time pod is restart, the data should be safe. So in this demo, I'm going to talk about we will use persistence volume claim to provide the storage for the any database. It can be MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, anything. Okay. Our requirement is if the pod is deleted or recreated, our data should be safe. So I'll keep the subject line in my YouTube channel anyone this. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, let's jump into the practical. So let's verify that qctl get nodes, right? So our cluster is up and running, right? And the previous session, we talk about how to create a cluster, how to deploy it, how to create the pods, okay, how to access it, everything I showed you. So this today topic entirely related to your storage itself only. So now what we can do? So first, let's check the storage classes. qctl get storage class. Okay. So here, these are all the storage calls classes are there, right? Now I wanted to create a persistence volume claim. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the PVC. Let's clear it. So I have already created a YAML file. I'm going to just copy and paste it and I'll share the manifest file in the notes also. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the persistence volume claim and the persistence volume claim name and the storage classes name. I'm going to use it managed-csi and storage I record 5 GB. Okay. I'll just apply it. So now let's check the storage classes. So what is our classes? MySQL hyphen PVC, right? So let me check. Sorry. Let me check PVC. Okay. So if you're able to see it, MySQL hyphen PVC, it is a pending and it is the storage classes managed by CSI. Here is a one. So now let's clear it. Now we have verified the PVC is created. Okay. Now we need to wait for the to bound it. Okay. If you're able to see it, so volume, capacity, everything is there, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to deploy the MySQL database and I'm going to attach to your whatever we have created the storage classes, right? So same thing, I'll just copy and paste the YAML file here. I'll just hit enter. Let's clear the screen. Sorry. Let's clear the screen. Let's check. Okay. So the container is creating, right? Now, okay. So if you're able to see it earlier, it is pending. Okay. Now it is bound. Okay. So once your container is created, okay, automatically your PVC it is going to be claim it. Okay, and you can able to see the storage classes also and PV also, persistence volume also you can able to see it, and the storage class also. Sorry. Okay. So the storage classes we are using managed CSI and PV it is created, and pod also it is created, and PVC also created. Our pod also it is created. Now let's wait for the pod. Okay, maybe the pod is already up and running, right? So that's fine. Now we need to test the data is persistence or not. Okay, so we are going to connect it to the pod, and we are trying to kill the pod, and we'll check that our database is available or not. So for that, what I'm going to do, let's get the pod name first. Okay, so here is a pod name. Okay, you can able to use label also. That's fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'll create the database for the test database. So what we need to do, I'm going to just replace the name of the pod. Okay, so let's copy this one. I'll just paste it here. Okay, so if you're able to see it, your test DB it has created, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete the pod. Okay, kubectl delete pod and pod name, right? Now q same thing, you can just check it, is a pod is running. Okay, so we have deleted, right? If you're able to see it, we have deleted vgrn, right? See, are you able to see it automatically? One more pod come up. Okay, so that means our data will be safe because we are using the again replica set. Okay, so we are using the one replica. If one is terminated, automatically it is going to be created. So the new one it is already come up. If you're able to see it 35 second ago. Same thing, we can able to check this the storage classes, which is a one we created, right? Let's verify that the DB available or not. Just you need to replace it. Are you able to see it? Okay. So this is how we can able to save the our data also. So that is all about the today storage topic. I'll come up with a new topic coming days. Till that, bye bye.